Hey guys, welcome back to Shane's Getting Handy. I got a 99 Ford Explorer. The splash shield inside the wheel well is missing and I'm gonna make a new one. You can come along with me, we'll figure it out. So you can see what we're dealing with here. Get inside, the entire splash shield is missing. I'll take it over to the other side and we'll see what it's supposed to look like. So this one's a little bit worn and beat up, but there it is in all its glory. So I think what we should do is take this one off. We'll use it as a template and I would be willing to bet they're a match for both sides. So let me start taking this off. So I know these are available on Amazon, these splash guards, but I don't really want to wait for one, and I've got an idea of how to make one pretty easy, and I'm just going to use this one as a template. So let me get the wheel off and we'll get the old one out and we'll figure it out from there. So this one's already seen better days, but I don't think really it matters. We're just kind of copy the size of it. I've already got a bunch of replacement fasteners on this one. We don't bust it more trying to get it out, but you know, we'll see how this goes. So I had this old cutting mat and I already used it once to make a rear mud flaps out of something else. But anyway, I think it would be perfect. And maybe if I do this right, I can actually make two and we'll replace this old ratty one anyway. So trace it out and see what we get. So likely you either destroyed or you have missing a whole bunch of these little Christmas tree things, but I found these on Amazon or eBay or something and it was dirt cheap, like 12 bucks for the whole bag, and it'll last me forever. I'm gonna start off just marking some of these holes through and then we'll see where we get from there. Kind of adjust as necessary if we need to line up the holes on the back of it. Good enough. Well, simple fix, quick and easy, and I think the point really is just use what you got on hand and make it work. You know, that's kind of the deal, and save something from going in the landfill if you can. That's my motto. But anyway, thanks for watching. Give me a thumbs up. We'll see you next time.